Tonight, when the sun goes down, you'll flip a switch. Light will fill the room and you won't think twice about it. But for almost all of human history, that switch didn't exist. When the sun set, the world went dark. Not dim, truly dark. For more than 300,000 years, every one of your ancestors spent roughly half their life in near total darkness. No light bulbs, no flashlights. For most of that time, not even candles. Just the stars overhead and whatever fire they could keep alive. So, what did humans do during all those hours after sunset? The answer reveals something surprising about sleep, storytelling, and human nature. It starts with fire. The earliest evidence of controlled fire dates back nearly 1 million years. And fire didn't just keep people warm, it changed the human day. Before fire, our ancestors were much like other primates. When the sun disappeared, activity stopped. You found shelter and stayed put. Moving around at night was dangerous. Predators could see far better in the dark than we could. But a campfire created a small circle of safety. Inside that circle, predators were less likely to approach. Outside it, survival became far less certain. Yet protection wasn't the biggest gift fire provided. It gave humans extra time. Before fire, the useful day ended at sunset. Fire added waking hours after dark. Over thousands of generations, those hours changed our species. Researchers studying hunter-gatherer groups found that daytime conversations were mostly practical. People discussed food, work, hunting, and survival. But once night fell and people gathered around a fire, everything changed. Stories took over. People shared myths, adventures, jokes, and tales about distant places. The campfire became humanity's first theater and first classroom. Around those flames, humans learned to imagine things beyond the present moment. Many scientists believe this helped shape culture itself. But stories weren't the only thing happening at night. For most of history, humans didn't sleep the way we do today. Historical records mention something called first sleep and second sleep. People would sleep for about 4 hours, wake naturally, stay awake for a while, then return to sleep until dawn. This wasn't insomnia. It was normal. During that quiet period, people prayed, reflected on dreams, studied, visited neighbors, or simply sat and thought. Many described it as one of the most peaceful parts of the day. Centuries later, scientists tested what would happen if people lived without artificial light. After several weeks, participants naturally adopted the same pattern. 4 hours of sleep, a period of calm wakefulness, then another 4 hours of sleep. No one told them to do it. Their bodies simply returned to an older rhythm. Researchers found that people often felt unusually calm and reflective during this period. So, what changed? Light. Street lamps appeared in cities. Candles became cheaper, gas lamps followed, then electric light transformed the world. Within a few generations, humanity's relationship with darkness changed forever. Night became bright. People remained active long after sunset. Today, most people are exposed to artificial light for hours after dark. Screens and indoor lighting suppress melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. Your brain interprets bright light as a signal that it's still daytime. As a result, sleep patterns shift and natural REM